Pioneer. I have just five speakers on there. No subwoofer, no nothing. Just these five on there. So these five is gonna go on here. Then it's bridged together with my stock audio. Stock audio. Boss. Stock audio. A Sony amp. Computer, TV. Everything is brings together. Even the computer speakers. Everything is together. So if I want to go loud and louder and louder, I can have my car radio playing, bridge into the Sony bridge into the Pioneer, but the Pioneer gonna turn into this other Sony receiver, and then bridge into the computer, into the TV. Everything works good. So that's gonna be my plan, to bridge this into that. And this Accusion amp is not in use right now. It's not in use, I'm not using it. But I could put one of them three speakers or one of them three subs on here and bridge everything into the system, but there's no need for it because I got these subs. So yeah, I'll bring you in when I get to that point. Alright, so what I did was remove the Pioneer from here, put the Sony on top of this Sony. I got it tied into this Sony and a DVD player. This Sony is tied into the auxiliary for the car stereo system. All that tied together. And I only got one channel on FM playing in these two speakers here. Plus these speakers is not enough power for this amp. I can get turned up halfway